Hi, fourth grade, it's Mrs. Boswell with our spelling words this week. We're going to be starting list 2, and these words, like list 1, all have short vowels. The addition that we're going to add this week is called the Floss Rule, and we're going to be learning about what is the Floss Rule with our short vowels. So this says I can warm up, I can segment sounds in a word. So here are our words this week. We have 14 words. And remember, they all have short vowels, and some of these are going to be following our floss rule. So again, all of our words do have short vowels. We have short vowel A that says A like apple, short I that says I like igloo, short O that says A like ostrich, short E that says E like elephant, and short U that says like umbrella. All right, so it says, I will identify the vowel, then I will tap and say the vowel sound and read the word. We're going to do these together today. So today I have this vowel I, and short I says I. So I'm going to put these together. I've got sk, ill, skill. This second word has an I, and it says the short I, which is I. So I've got ch, I, ul, chill. The third word here has two vowels. I have an I and an E, and they're both going to say the short vowel. So the short I says I, the short E says eh. W, it, n, s, witness. Okay. Our fourth word has an I, and short I says I. So we've got sp, it, split. Our last word has an I, and short I says I. But I want you to notice that this has a TCH, and I want you to listen to what you hear, what sound you hear when you hear those three letters. D, I, ch. How many sounds did you hear for TCH? If you said 1, you are correct. TCH is a digraph and says one sound, like the ch sound. So I've got d, I, ch, ditch. All right, so let's try it together. Here's our first word, and it has two vowels. We have the O and the I. Short O says ah, short I says I. This word is solid. Our next word also has two vowels, an O and an E, and they both say the short vowel. So we've got ah and eh, k, on, t, s, t, contest. Okay, I have short vowel U, short I, so I've got and I, s, b, m, it, submit. Our next one has a short O that says ah, a short E that says eh. So I've got k, on, con, v, x, convex. So it's your turn. On these words, you're going to underline the short vowel in seesaw, and then you're going to say those words, sound them out, and then say them. So you want to do a recording. So underline the vowels, then go through and record them. All right, I will read the words on your list, and you'll read all the words back to me. So I'm going to say it, then you'll repeat. Okay, skill, ditch, split, chill, witness, odd, solid, comic, cabin, contest, trust, brush, submit, convex. This week you only have 14 words. Again, all of our words have the short vowel a, I, sounds. They also all follow the closed syllable. Remember, a closed syllable is one vowel followed by one or more consonants. The vowel sound is short. So we would have our closed fist. This is a symbol for a closed syllable. All of our words also, or most of them, have either blends or digraphs. A big one that you saw today was the TCH, and it just says the ch sound. Okay, remember, blends are two consonants side by side, and then both consonants are pronounced like sw, sl, sp, kr, ft, mp, sk. Okay, those are all blends. When you go to digraphs, it's one sound spelled with two consonants. So TH says th, CH says ch, TCH says ch, SH says sh, WH says w, and the NG says ng, and the NK says nk. Okay, so we have blends and digraphs. But here's our new fun one. We're going to learn about the floss rule. I hope lots of you are flossing your teeth, but this is a little bit different than your own flossing your teeth. But that word floss follows the floss rule. So here's the floss rule. It says, when a one-syllable word has a short vowel sound followed by the sound f, ul, s, or z, it is usually spelled ff, ll, ss, or zz. So puff is a one-syllable word. So when I say that word, I'm going to say puff. So that's how many sounds. Ready? Puff. That's one syllable. It also has the short u, And then I hear the f at the end, so I would double that f, following that floss rule. If I look at the word floss, let's say the word floss, how many syllables? One. Does it have a short vowel? Yes, that short vowel is O, that says ah. And then I hear that s at the end, and that says s. So I got floss, and that follows the floss rule. Okay, so over here, it says, we're going to be looking at our words, and we're going to recognize it first. Do they have a short vowel? Okay, so like in the word hill, it has a short vowel. Are they one syllable? Hill. Hill. Yep, that's one syllable. And do they have the sound ul, s, f, or z at the end? Well, hill has ul, so I would double that L. Okay, so those are important rules for following the floss rule. So here we go. Let's do some practice. So I have my first word, okay? And it says, do they have a short vowel? Well, I recognize the I, and short I says I, so I've got ch, I, ul, chill. Are they one syllable? Chill. Yep. Do you hear the ul sound? Ul? Yes. So I've got ul. So I'm going to double that L because it follows the floss rule. So it wouldn't be just S or C-H-I-L. It's C-H-I-L-L. I'm going to double that consonant at the end. Because I had a short vowel, it's a one-syllable word, and it ends with the ul sound. Let's look at our next word. Split. Okay, split. Ooh, that's one syllable. I know that the I is the short vowel, but let's see, does it end in ul, s, f, or z? Nope, this word ends in a t. So that vowel at the end, or that consonant at the end does not double like in chill. Okay, so split does not follow that rule. Let's start our next word. All right. I see an I that says I, sk, ul, skill. Okay, skill. That's one syllable. So again, it has a short vowel. It has one syllable. Now, does it end in ul, s, f, or z? Yes, it ends in ul. So this skill follows the floss rule. Okay. Here's my next word. Convex. Let's say that. Convex. Ooh, is that one syllable? Nope, it's actually two. So I already know I can be done because that's a two-syllable word. And the floss rule is only a one-syllable word with a short vowel that ends with ul, s, f, or z. All right, you are going to be trying this on your own with the following rules, okay? And if it follows our rule of the floss rule, you're going to highlight it. Okay, so here are your words. you're going to go through and highlight only the words that follow the floss rule. So, does it have a short vowel? Is it one syllable? And do they end in l, s, f, or z? Good luck today, and that will be on Seesaw. So